Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 8-piece aromatherapy shower bombs. These are great for stress relief, Mother's Days, Father's, Christmas, Valentine's, birthday gifts, for him and for her. Alright, so now we got our shower steamers. The scents are eucalyptus, lavender, vanilla rose, rosemary chamomile, lemon, pomegranate, and orange. This is great for relaxation, staying, soothes, stress relief, relaxing, aromatherapy, sinus relief. So you have the flavors in the back as well, and right here it tells you how to put it in your shower. You don't want to put it directly into shower, put a little away from it. So they have different essential oils. They relax the stress, long-lasting fragrance, strong scent, ideal gifts. So they have chamomile, which chamomile soothes and sleeps. Pomegranate rose is for relaxation. Rosemary calms and soothes. Vanilla and orange for calm. You have lavender for stress relief and sleep. Mint and eucalyptus for sinus relief. Bergamot and mandarin for refresh. Lemon for focus. And in order to use these, it says you will remove the shrink wrap, stick it in the shower, not in direct steam of the shower. You'll want to put it away so you can still smell the aroma and it doesn't burn up really quick. These ones do smell really strong. They smell really good. They have no additives, organic ingredients, natural, sulfate-free, phosphate-free, formaldehyde-free, vegan, and gluten-free. So these are good with stress relievers. You can enjoy the spa. These are great for gifts, birthdays, holidays. They are really nice when you're relaxing. You do get 8 scented flavors, so you could choose between all 8 of them. So if you're looking for something to relax and calm your nerves, I would definitely say check these ones out. These ones smell fantastic.